snow is falling, or the windows in the rain is pouring, it will always be Christmas in my heart.
Don't you just love day in life? So today we're going to be doing a couple of errands. I started it off getting my packages at Ship Me. It's a Jamaica courier service because, you know, we don't really ship stuff to Jamaica like that. And then I went to Salon Bouge to get my nails done because press-ons are the new wave. Sash is so good when it comes to applying press-on. So if you ever go to Salon Bouge, ask for Sash. Look at them. Then I realized that I have not stopped at Rituals Coffee House in a while. And when I tell you they have a mean carrot cake, please take my word for it.
This peach pinaz or whatever it was, peach something of the sort, tastes really good. I'm actually full off of this already, so I might just go back home and get the Christmas tree up because I'm really excited for it. She's in the back of the car right now. And I also got a carrot cake. So I'm almost done with the carrot cake. It is so good, it's not even funny. So it's time for me to go home. Said I was just gonna go home and call today and start on the Christmas tree. I don't know the state of the lights or the decorations. I just hope to God that it's been a year, it's still gonna work. So I got the tree. Hopefully it looks the way it's supposed to look. Or else I'll be so upset. Oh, it comes with lights already. Okay. Okay. I hate that it comes lit already. I know, why does it? Oh my goodness. It's not as full as I would have hoped it to be. It's starting to look nice, don't it? I want the decorations going to look full of. I think I'm going to add another layer of lights. I don't know if it's gonna work, but I'll try because this is looking real scanty. But I'm also going to plug it in to see what we're working with, and hopefully it works out because your girl can't take this thing back. And that's it. Listen, we have to just work with it, alright? At this point, we'll work with it. I have not opened this since last Christmas, so I'm so excited. Ah, this is where it went. It is still November. I need to record a couple videos. I wanted to start Vlogmas on December 1st this year, so that's why I have to do the Christmas tree, edit it, and get it out of here. But the thing is that this is a pretty mobile tree, so I can possibly put it in another room until it's time for Christmas. But right now, the girl needs it for the videos. Mr. Snowman goes on top each year. And like I said, I just hope when this is lit, it looks better, and when I put more decorations on it. So it's the moment of truth. Oh! I mean, it kind of looks nice, right? Right? Yeah? It could have been worse. It could have been worse. I'm just trying to be great. I have a shoot that I'm trying to do now for Vlogmas. So I'm getting this ready for Vlogmas. That's why I did the Christmas tree so early, and I'm just going to try to shoot some video. God no, because editing is a problem in itself, but I'm gonna try. Kind of thing. Let's get it. So I'm here trying to complete a video. The first one took forever for me to set up. I know editing is going to be probably like 15 minutes. Sometimes I like editing, but then I don't like it. Look at my Christmas tree, it looks so cute. I think I'm going to put like a garland going up there, or lights going up there, I don't know. But right now, it's my Christmas tree and me. Let me try and get this second video out. Well, second video recorded. I'm going to try to do 3 today because I know that it's so stressful to set up things. I was trying to set up this, but this can't bother. It just was not pairing, and then at one point this one went downhill. The battery died, so I had to like use another phone. It's like a lot of things to set up. That's why I'm doing 3 videos. I'm not moving until I finish 3. I am done with 3 videos. Like, the light decided to literally say I'm over you mid-video. So I was like, you know what? Let's just not. I continued videoing because I'm just like, I still have one light, and that is good enough for me because my head is killing me right now and I am so over it. I think I've spent like 2 hours videoing, but I have 3 videos to go and edit, and I am dead serious that Vlogmas is not going to reach me, and I am not prepared again because I remember where I was like, yeah man, I'm doing Vlogmas. I mean, I never do it daily, but I still ended up, out of all the videos, I ended up getting to like 8 videos, and I said, that's all? Nope. So this time I'm gonna try my best, and I'm gonna prepare and hope that it really works, because your girl is tired and your girl probably cannot do this every single day. Imagine some people, I give it to you, you know, I give it to you, like you have all my flowers and ratings, because I'm just like, imagine doing this every day, because you have to set up, you have to video, and you have to edit, you have to do the SEO, you have to make sure that it is interesting, you have to do the thumbnail, you have to put music to it, and then you have to post, and then you have to make sure that you post at a certain time because everybody is going to be doing Vlogmas. Good God. But yeah guys, I'm gonna go take this off. I'm not doing this live. I really can't do this. I fear that next week and start of December I'm not going to have the time to actually
vlog or do sit down videos as much. Like, your girl has not done a sit down video in months, so I was just pushing myself. I took a caffeine pill to try and, like, you know, boost myself up. But your girl is very tired. Your girl is very tired. I'm just gonna take off this and take a quick shower because I'm feeling very miserable. So your girl needs to probably take a shower and call it a day. And then I'm probably gonna actually take a nap before 7 o'clock, probably 6 o'clock. I'll say 6:30. So from whatever this time is, probably 5 to 6:30, I take a nap, and then 6:30 I start getting ready. And since it's near here, I guess I will be able to get ready in time. Yeah, but let me get this light. Let me get this light out of my face because I've been staring into nope. I need a light. I've been staring into these two lights for the past 2 hours, so your girl is over it. Yeah, let me stop chatting. I'm late.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the